Well, I think it's fair to say that we are back in full swing of our regular cycle of annual shows. Last year, our production of Matilda was a huge success, and in just 5 weeks of intensive rehearsals, we saw some of the most incredible and energetic performances I think we've ever had here at Howells. From the choreography to the costumes, the songs, the set, the projections, and of course all those wonderful moments of magic created a very unique show that we were all incredibly proud of. So, contrary to our tradition of following a musical with a play, we just couldn't resist taking on another musical this year and stepping up to a bigger challenge. And I can promise you this, it's going to be a big one, because this time we'll be back in the sports hall transforming the entire space into a 350-seater theatre. At Howells, performance is part of the very essence of our community, and each year the productions create a platform where students have opportunities to be involved in all aspects of a large show, whether that's under the spotlights or behind the scenes. And so of course, as soon as Matilda finished, students have been very keen to know what the next show will be. As a team, we've actually been talking about this for months, and now the time has finally arrived for all your suspicions to be placed to one side, because we can now reveal that the musical for October 2023 is...
Don't worry, it's not Cats. It's not Limit.
It's not Sister Act.
It's not Legally Blonde.
It's definitely not Singing in the Rain.
Come back down again. Screw up if I take a joke. You can dance, you can die, having the time of your life.
We're not doing Mamma Mia.
Floating children living in floating times. We sing floating songs, you sing floating lives.
Too soon? Too soon. It's definitely not Matilda.
It's not Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
It's not The Sound of Music.
This year, we're inviting you to audition for Mary Poppins. As per usual, today you'll receive a letter that details everything you need to know about the audition process, and all the information you need to prepare is in there. But if you do have any questions, please feel free to get in touch with one of us in Music or Drama. We are very much looking forward to seeing you there.